Hi, I'm Dr. JC Matthews, and I want to personally invite you to join me for the first of 3 unique Kingdom training opportunities called the Kingdom Conclave, scheduled for Saturday, May 30th, right here in Dallas, Texas. Now, in our upcoming conclave, one of the issues that we will be studying is the role of property law upon our understanding of God's grant of dominion to man. Let me ask you a question. What was the purpose for God's grant of dominion to man over the earth to begin with? Was it simply for man to act as a steward of God's property and function as a caretaker of the earth and its creatures? Or is there a greater revelation and insight concerning not only our identity in the earth, but a larger purpose of God for both mankind and the earth itself? Now, in order to adequately answer these questions, it is necessary for us to have a firm understanding of certain fundamental principles of property law that govern both one's rights in land and the nature of interest conveyed to man due to the grant of dominion, as well as the resulting roles and responsibilities created in both God and man as a result of this grant. Specifically, what happens to the rights granted a recipient in land when a condition of the conveyance is violated, or in Adam's case, when he fell? What authority or rights revert back to the owner of the land as a result of the violation, and what rights, if any, is retained by the recipient themselves? To take it a step further, what rights, if any, did Satan gain in the earth as a result of man's fall? Did you know that laws governing rights over property differ depending upon whether or not the land at issue is personal property or government property? At this conclave, we will be studying the impact of the various property laws that are relevant to our understanding of God's grant of dominion and man's legal status in relationship to the earth, such as landlord-tenant law. We will also study the legal process and requirements for the valid transfer of interest in land, such as the statute of frauds, livery, and season, as well as the impact of concepts such as adverse possession, color of title, and the actual as opposed to constructive possession of property. Now, I've spent the last 30 years studying law and over 25 years in ministry studying the Bible, and I've come to the conclusion that in order to truly understand the Bible or the kingdom, we must have a firm legal foundation and understanding of the concepts and principles concerning law, for the Bible is a legal document, not a religious one. All of the aforementioned laws and principles and legal processes play an essential role in our ability to truly understand God's grant of dominion and man's status in the earth, both pre and post-fall. Only then can we truly understand what it means to subdue and have dominion, as well as place within their proper context scriptures such as Romans chapter 8, verse number 19, which states, "Creation groans or is waiting the manifestation of the sons of God." Join me on Saturday, May 30th, right here in Dallas, Texas, at the Kingdom Conclave, where we will learn the answers to all of these questions and much more. I look forward to seeing you there.